Hello everyone, I welcome to you in the Digital Fashion Design Zone classes. Today I came to you with the very essential and important topics, that is the design and its method. If you want to be a creative fashion designer, you must have to clear the concept regarding the design and its methods. Because designing plays a very essential role in the manufacturing industry, and you must be clear the concept regarding the design. So commonly if you are asking the question, what is design? So design is nothing but a planning, systematic planning, or a specification of the style, material, color and patterns for the construction of the product. So before manufacturing of the product, you must have to specify the styles. What should be the styles of your garment? What should be the materials you have to be used in that garment? Colors and patterns you have to select. So this is a very essential and very critical parts of the manufacturing of the product. So design, I hope that you have understood the definition of design. Design is nothing but a planning or a specification of the styles, materials, colors and patterns for the construction of the garment or any product. Next question arises in mind that what are the roles of the fashion designer? A fashion designer designs and assists with the production of clothing, shoes and accessories. Designer identifies trends and select styles, fabrics, colors, prints and trims for the collections. So designer plays a very essential role in the manufacturing industry. Designer have to analyze the trends. What are the trends going on into the world? What are the trends of the fashion or the trends of the styles? What are the essential trends are going to be followed by the majority of the population or the special categories of the personalities? So you have to identify the trends. On the basis of the trends, you have to select the styles, fabrics, colors, trims and prints of your collections. So these are the essential roles of the fashion designers. Let me clear you about the concept for the methods of design. So there are basically two methods of design which is going to be used in the manufacturing industry. Either they are designing the patterns manually or by the CAD. So basically there are two methods of design, manual design and the CAD design. So let me explain you about the manual design. Manual design is nothing but it is the process of design manually or by hand. Whatever designs you are creating by hand with the help of on the basis of the measurements, and you are using the paper, pencil, measuring scales, French curves and rulers, and you are designing the patterns directly onto the paper or onto the trace form. So by hand, whatever design work you are doing by hand, that is called manual design. And CAD design. So what is CAD design? If we are going to design any patterns of the garments with the help of computer aided design softwares, so that is called the CAD design. with the help of computer softwares, if we are going to design anything, that is called the CAD design. So manual design basically has been further categorized into two categories. One is called the two-dimensional manual design or 2D manual design. So what is 2D manual design? 2D manual design is the one in which we are using only two dimensions to develop the patterns, that is the length and the width. That is, in technical words, you can say that the drafting methods of pattern design. In 2D method, we are using only length and breadth to design our flat design on the pattern sheets. Whatever we are designing directly onto the pattern sheets according to the measurements, with the use of pencil, eraser, scales and other elements of design. So that is called the two-dimensional methods of design. And what is three-dimensional methods manual design? In this method, basically we are using trace form. It is in three-dimensional form. It is the exact replica of the human body, and basically the trace form is available in different sizes for female and male. Also it is separate. So any for male or female of any sizes of the dress form, you have to specify, you have to select, and after the selection you can directly proceed the design onto the dress form with the help of the muslin fabric, and you can create the patterns. So that is called three-dimensional methods of manual design. So what is 2D design in CAD? So in this process we are using 2D softwares to create the patterns based on the body measurement. We are using two dimensions in this also. So with the 2D softwares we are using length and breadth measurement dimensions only according to the body measurements. We are creating the design of the patterns, that is called the two-dimensional methods in CAD design. And 3D design in CAD is that in this we are having the dress form like that is in 3D softwares for the different sizes, that is called avatar. Different sizes of avatar is available into the CAD 3D CAD softwares. On that we can, by the simulation of process, we can spread our patterns of the garment and we can simulate it, and we can check the fittings of the garments. All the visualizations we can check out: front view, side view, top view. In all the views you can visualize your garments. It will be look like in an original form. So with the help of these softwares you can create very beautiful and attractive and very comfortable and suitable garments. So these are some essential methods which is going to be used in the manufacturing industry for the production of the garments. I hope that this class will be very much helpful for you.